Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to put a signature on a PDF. We will cover the most straightforward methods using common software. You can easily add your signature to any document, saving you time and effort. This allows for quick, professional document handling from your computer or mobile device. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader, a popular free program. Look for the Fill and Sign option, usually on the right side of your screen. Click on Sign, then select Add Signature to type, draw, or upload your unique signature. Once created, simply drag and drop your signature onto the correct line of the document, then save your changes. For Mac users, the built-in Preview application offers an excellent solution. Open your PDF with Preview, then click the small markup icon, resembling a pen, in the toolbar. From there, select the Sign button and either create a new signature using your trackpad or camera, or choose an existing one. Finally, position the signature precisely where it needs to be on your document, ensuring it looks perfect before saving. If you prefer not to download software, many online tools provide simple signing solutions. You upload your PDF to a secure website, add your signature digitally, and then download the signed file. Always ensure you are using a trusted and reputable service to protect your personal information. These platforms are incredibly convenient for signing on the go, often completing the process in under 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.